Hey there! So, let's dive into the problem we're tackling today. Imagine you're looking to download a bunch of asterisk.csv files from a specific URL, but grabbing them one by one seems like a tedious task. You're contemplating if there's a more efficient way to get all these files without spending hours on it. Well, fret not, because there's a solution to this problem. The solution is quite straightforward. You can accomplish this task using an FTP client. To kick things off, you start by typing ftp.ncbi.nlm.nih.gov in your command line interface. This initiates the FTP connection to the specified server, setting the stage for accessing the files you need. Remember, the first step is crucial in navigating the FTP system seamlessly. Next up in the solution process is providing the username. You simply enter anonymous when prompted for a username. This generic login credential allows you to connect to the FTP server as an anonymous user, paving the way for accessing the desired files. The username acts as a key to unlock the door to the repository of files you're looking to download efficiently. Moving on, you're prompted for a password. In this case, the password required is an email address, namely email protected. By entering this specific email address as the password, you authenticate your access and gain the necessary permissions to proceed further. The password serves as an additional layer of security to ensure authorized access to the FTP server. Once you successfully entered the FTP server and provided the required login credentials, you navigate to the directory where the files are located. In this scenario, you type cd pubcoa_bulcoa_comsmol to move to the desired directory where the asterisk.csv files reside. This step is crucial in pinpointing the exact location of the files you intend to download. With the groundwork laid in the directory set, it's time to fetch the files you're after. By executing the mget asterisk.csv command, you initiate the process of retrieving all the CSV files within the specified directory. This command streamlines the download process, enabling you to fetch multiple files in one go. Efficiency at its finest. As you proceed with the download, you may encounter a prompt asking for confirmation to download all files. Simply press A to proceed with downloading all files without individual confirmation. Alternatively, you can enter the command prompt before mget to avoid such prompts and automate the download process seamlessly. Wrapping up your FTP session, you gracefully exit by typing quit. This signifies the end of your interaction with the FTP server after successfully downloading all the asterisk.csv files you needed. And there you have a simple yet effective way to efficiently download multiple files using FTP. That's a wrap, folks. We've covered the entire process from establishing an FTP connection to downloading multiple asterisk.csv files effortlessly. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below. Remember, downloading files doesn't have to be a painstaking task when you have the right tools at your disposal. Stay tech savvy, and happy downloading!